Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing after the new year? I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. So, I accepted my first challenge of the year from Hobbii. As you all know, Hobbii is one of my favorite online yarn stores. They offer great quality yarn in an abundance of colors. They also offer free patterns in case you need some inspiration. Or you can become a Hobbii Plus member to get more benefits such as discounts and free gifts, and the list goes on. They also started a competition site. There's a competition happening each month, and you can submit your creation to win gift cards. Make sure you come to their site to check it out. The link is in the description box. Okay, this is what Hobbii sent me. Extra fun merino from the Friends family. This is really soft. Almost feels like a feather. It's very thin yarn. If you like to work with thin yarn, this will be a great option. And this is a number 2 category yarn. It feels really nice and very easy to work with. And I got a couple more of different colors. I also got panettone in the bag. This color is so pretty and gorgeous. Mostly made of cotton and mixed with a darker tone and some pastel color and add a little bit of glittery to the touch. And this is a number 3 category yarn, by the way. Very nice yarn. I ordered it like a couple more colors. Anyway, back to the challenge. This is my first time working with so many different colors at the same time, so things are a little bit messy. So the challenge is called No Shades of Gray. I did this challenge last year and I decided to do it again. And this is what I made last year. The challenge is to create a wearable that's cozy and colorful with a minimum of 4 different solid colors, no black, no gray, and no dark blue. Now to come to think of it, my color palette is still on the cooler side. I mean, I like green. Anyway, I have always wanted to make a patchwork cardigan for a long time, and this is what I'm working on right now. So things are a little bit messy on my table. There will be a video on the finished product sometime next month in February, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And the reason for the challenge is because the third Monday in January is known as Blue Monday. This is the saddest day of the year because vacation's over, everyone is back to work, back to school, and we still must face bad weather and long nights. So it's quite depressing. And the idea is to bring out some cheerful colors, even though my color palette isn't as cheerful as it should be, but you get the idea. And where I am, we didn't get snow during the holiday. In fact, most days throughout the month of December, it was above 0 degrees Celsius. But in the last couple of days, we got quite a bit of snow and freezing rain. And we still need to face another month or two of weather conditions like this. So I am not looking forward to that. For wherever you are, stay warm, be safe, take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao!